What's up, everybody? Today, me and my mom, we are going on a hike today in Uvas Canyon, County Park in Santa Clara County. So, are you ready to get into it, Mom? Alright, want to see 4 waterfalls today. Mom, can you record while I do this? I want to go check the map. What the heck, Dante? Hold up. Mom. Alright guys, so right now we are heading to the first of many waterfalls that we are going to have in this video. We're heading to the height. So right now we're still on the gravel or road, but I can feel the waterfall already. I'm here already?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, Mom, does it say it's fully charged?
93%.
93?
Mm-hmm.
This is the memory?
3 hours.
Okay. It's not bad. Guys, we've reached the first of many waterfalls in this nature trail. So this is the do you know how to pronounce this word?
Which one? Granuja Falls?
Granujua Falls.
Granuja Falls? Maybe.
Want us to go over this? Or just keep on going?
Let's see what we can see over here real quick.
Alright. Ooh, there's staircases. Oh, that looks dope.
Look, it says California blackberries.
Library?
Blackberries. This is a blackberry plant, probably.
Blackberry?
Mm-hmm.
I meant to say blackberries. It sounds like I'm saying library. Look. Oh,
I see the name.
this caution tape and it says area closed. Future me says this trail is not closed. There's just a tree has fell over towards the waterfall. This is pretty cool. There's the steps on it up down. You see a little.
Oh, look, poison oak.
Mama. I don't know if we're going the right way. Look. Oh, does look dope. This tiny little creek led up to our second waterfall, but sadly we weren't able to record the second one, so don't worry. We saw the third and the fourth one, so stay tuned. Well, I see 2 waterfalls in 1 minute. Oh, look at me. Hold up. Say cheese, y'all. What's up, y'all? Let me make sure. Just make sure that's not up there. Okay, no, that's not. No, hold on in that bush. Oh, I see it. No, it's actually kind of cool. This trail led up to our next waterfall.
Is that it?
Yup, it is.
Okay.
Oh, that looks dope. Okay, man. We found our next waterfall. Don't mind
So
me
guys,
being close to the camera, y'all.
What the?
No, keep it like that. So guys, we saw the next waterfall, the last one right here, called the Upper Falls. And yeah,
This video did not serve justice. This waterfall is pretty large.
Version of it. There's another one.
Guys, by the way, tilt your
it's the
screen
same one, but
or tilt your heads. Hey guys, feature me here. I'm so sorry for not recording straight. I didn't realize it at the time. But enjoy the photos that you guys will see. Hey guys, I just wanted to give you guys a huge shout out. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you enjoyed it, I think you would enjoy my channel. Please subscribe. It would really help me out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. But I hope you guys have a good day and stay tuned. And I hope you guys go on a hike soon.